As I told you to read this page and come. Good morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
So, good
Good
morning. As
morning.
you know that we are doing the chapter number 10 related with play with patterns. We have learned patterns with numbers, with letters, right? We have learned patterns in with blocks and designs. In shapes, we have learned the patterns. We have learned the patterns in magic square, magic triangle, right? Then we have done the number tower. Then we have learned the same rule, the same sum rule. Now we are coming on the secret messages. Secret messages. Can you children please tell me where the secret messages are being used? क्यों बनाना पड़ता है हमें कोई secret code? Yes, Viva, tell me.
Good morning, I said.
Good morning. Good morning. Why we have to make the secret code? Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, we had to make secret codes where it is it is specially used in army and that things to pass our notes to others. So
To
the
pass
others
some
can't
important
know what
information.
we are talking with others. The other terrorist can know that which is this means what they are saying.
Yes, the secret code will be only decoded by the person who know the rule of that code. Right? There are two words, code and decode. Code means to put a code for something, and decode means to open that code. Decoding, right? So coding and decoding we are going to learn. If something is given to you and you have to write it into the codes, then you will learn it coding. And now if the code is given to you and you have to open the code, see, remember, you can only code and decode when you know the rule, right? When you know the rule. आप किसी भी rule से decode नहीं कर सकते उस message को, right? So first, if you know the rule of the message, then only you will able to decode that message. For example, there are some examples are given in your textbook. Open page
Hello, ma'am.
number. Hmm.
Ma'am, I have written one thing in the chat
Yeah,
box.
you have written the numbers, some numbers in the chat box. But I have observed that if we are not aware कि आपने लिखा है 7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, we are not aware what this 7 means, what this 15 means according to your rule, the rule which you have made. है ना, जो रूल आपने बनाया है उस रूल को हमें नहीं पता है. So we cannot decode this message. राइट नाउ इट इज इन कोड, सो वी आर डिकोडिंग इट. इसको हम ओपन करेंगे बट हम नहीं ओपन कर सके बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द रूल. Until and unless you will not explain us the rule that you have used the 7 number for the letter number G. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I
So
have written in code. Good morning, ma'am.
until you will not explain us that you have written the letters in the form of the numbers. So when you explain us this, then we can easily decode this message. Until we are not aware, we cannot decode this message. Okay. Now come on the page number 115. I'm going to present my screen and I'll show you the textbook page number. Granth, it's okay. Good. Let me explain you the page number.
Later, I can present and show you the example of it.
Yes, you can show me later. Secret messages. What are you doing? The girl says, okay, let me see. It looks like a secret message. Boy is showing something. I'm trying to read the note my friend gave me, but I cannot understand. अब जब उसको रूल पता ही नहीं है that which rule he has to apply, so sorry, he cannot be able to decode this message. So Yamini explained the rule of numbers being used for. She said, I will explain you, come. Now, you see here down, wait a minute. Yamini explained the rule numbers that have been used for the letters. इसने बोला कि जो numbers हैं ये letters के लिए use हुए हैं. You know, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. This way we give the numbers to the letters also. Are you all clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if we are giving A one number, B two numbers, so can you please open this code and tell me what this 7, 15, 15, 4, 14, 9, 7, 8, 10, 20 means?
Ma'am, good night.
7 is for letter G. Suppose first of all you need to complete this table which is given in your textbook down. The purple one, no? आप पहले सबसे पहले उसको complete करिए. Wait a minute, I'll show you. ये purple table. This complete this table first of all. Write all the letters and the numbers in this fast and complete this, and then I will ask the questions from you. Got it? Complete this purple table. Give the numbers A, B, C, D. फिर आप easily words बना सकते हो. Have you all completed? Bhavya Sagar, please come back on your place. Yes, properly stable your camera. You all have completed that purple boxes, written
Yes,
all the A, B, C, D and given the numbers. Now,
Yes.
tell me 7 is coming for which letter, students?
G.
15 is coming
O.
for which letter, is students?
Oh, ma'am.
O. Then 2 times 15, we write 2 times O. 4 is coming for which letter? D. So from 7, 15, 15, 4, we made a word good. Now go to 14. 14 is for which?
N.
N. And N, 9 is for which letter?
I.
G, 7 is for which letter?
G.
8 is for which letter?
H.
H. And T is for which letter? Or 20 is for which letter? T. So when we decode this message, we got the good night. How you decode this message? When you know the rule कि आपको letters को numbers देने हैं और उसको decode करना है. Clear? Now come to the next. Tinu wants to write to his friend good morning. अब same rule के according उसको अपने friends को good morning लिखना है. तो क्या code बनेगा good morning का?
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Good का तो यही code बनेगा 7, 15, 15, 4.
Ma'am, can I say the code?
Yeah, so
Ma'am,
say
may
for
I
the
say?
morning.
Yes, ma'am. 7, 15, 15, 4. It means good morning. So 13, 15,
13, 15,
18,
18,
14,
14,
9,
9,
again 14 and 7.
again, yeah. And you can also see on my screen. It is given 7, 14, 4, 7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7. तब अगर आप ये कोड किसी को बताओगे तो will that person will able to decode that message? No.
Ma'am,
And
if
yeah.
Ma'am,
If we explain the
person
rule
knows
also,
the rule, then only he or she can crack
decode
the code.
message. And cracking the code is called decoding the message.
Okay.
Now come on the next line. If we change the rule, अब हमने rule change कर दिया. If we change the rule and write 1 in place of B, B की वैसे place क्या होती है? 2. लेकिन हमने B को दे दिया 1. तो A को हम क्या देंगे? 0. एक नंबर पीछे आ गए. D का होता है पोजीशन 4, but we will give D to 3 number. ऐसे ही हमने रूल अगर चेंज कर लिया. नाउ रूल चेंज करने के बाद लेट अस डांस का क्या कोड होगा?
Ma'am, first it will be 19, 19, L will be 19.
Wait. Let us dance. वैसे
No,
actual
L will be 12.
L, वैसे एक्चुअल L का कोड क्या होता है? एक्चुअल
20.
नंबर 20 होता है L.
12.
Sorry,
A B C D E F G H I J K L. L का वैसे तो कोड 12 होता है, पर अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू रूल हमें एक नंबर पीछे का नंबर देना है इसको, तो हम 11 देंगे
11.
L को. E को क्या देंगे?
4.
वैसे E का एक्चुअल पोजीशन है 5, but we will give 4. What is the actual position of T?
20.
20, but we will give 19. Same way, please continue this. And children, please take a note. Whenever you are making one word, then you going to the next word, please leave some space and then give the next word. U. What is the actual position of U?
21.
So, but what number we will give?
20.
20. So what is the position for S?
18. 8. We will write 18, but the actual position is 19.
19. So we will write 18. अब ये लिखने के बाद give some little space and then go for the dance. I'm not writing dance. Maybe some of you not able to see my board, so I'm writing for the dance here. What is the actual position of D?
Ma'am, 4.
But we will write
A how 3.
A का 0. मैंने बताया ना. A का 0. N का
13. Actual number is 14, but we will write 13.
What is the actual for C?
Ma'am, 4.
3.
But we will write
2. 2.
what is the actual for E?
5.
But we will write
4.
So this is the code for Let Us Dance. Please complete in your textbook, students.
Ma'am, from now on in code language, I will write good morning in the chat box.
Sorry, then every day I don't want that in the code language. Then you can create your own different code and then explain us that what is the code. Okay, not with the same letters and numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I ask something?
Yeah.
I have a doubt. Ma'am, in the 3rd class, we learned that how to make a code. Means I want to write let. So, A, B, C, L.
A B C.
L means in the between I will write the letters. So, is it also a code?
Yes.
Means A, B, C, L,
Yeah.
then D, E, F, E.
Hmm.
So L, E, now we will write T. So when
See, if you are writing in your code, but it is necessary when you want to explain to someone, you are aware that which method you are finding, right?
yes,
Which method you are applying. जैसे कि
Ma'am,
आर्मी में
ABC,
कोड, जैसे कि आर्मी
then-
में कोड्स यूज करते हैं. Suppose you are also in the army, I am also in the army. I want to
ma'am,
speak
your voice
something
is
in the code.
cracking.
Okay, just a minute. See, suppose you are also in the army. I am also working in an army. Okay. We want to talk, both of you want to talk us in the code. We want the other person should not understand. But we also will only understand एक दूसरे की language हम तभी समझ पाएंगे जब हम एक दूसरे के code से clear हैं. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever I am speaking, I have already explained you कि मैं इस चीज को ऐसे बोलूंगी. Right? अगर up जाना है, I can tell you 1. Down जाना है 2. ऐसे. So when I explain you already कि जब मैं up बोलूं, मैं 1 बोलूं तो तुम ऊपर चली जाना. जब मैं 2 बोलूं तो आप down आ जाना.
Okay.
Clear? So this
Army
code,
uses
if I have,
that codes
yeah,
like that.
not like that exactly. But if they use the code, they all the team members are aware about the code.
Okay.
Okay.
Means if I say something in code language, my code you should understand. So
Only when I understand, when you explain us.
okay, ma'am.
तो अगर आप मुझसे बात करना चाहती हो, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती हो, तो यू शुड फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन मी अबाउट द कोड. बट यू वांट दैट यू एंड मी कैन ओनली अंडरस्टैंड, नॉट द थर्ड पर्सन कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो यू जस्ट ओनली एक्सप्लेन मी. आप सीक्रेट बातें करते हैं कि कान में अपने फ्रेंड से, कि नहीं करते? कि मैं तुझे ये बोलूंगी, दूसरे को नहीं बताना. It is
Yes,
happening like this or not? So sometime you can use the code languages also. I'm talking to you in this language, but don't tell to the other person. Yes or no?
Okay,
That
ma'am.
is the reason the codes are being used. Okay.
Thank you.
Now comes the more secret messages. IFMMP, IPX, BSF, ZPV. Children, please start opening these codes.
Hello, ma'am. May I say the first one?
Now in this code, what you have to use the method, one letter पीछे का बताना है आपने. For example, it is use yes. Yes की जगह उसने use किया JFT, means why. Now the code is changed. Then only you will able to open it. Let me explain you. YES और इसका कोड है JFT. So are you able to understand the method what they have applied?
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
No,
they have used the next letter. Y के बाद क्या आता है? Z. T के बाद क्या आता है? F. S के बाद क्या आता है? T. अगर इसी रूल को अप्लाई करो तो क्या रेनू का कोड आप लोग बता सकते हैं क्या होगा?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, S F. Ma'am, S F M V. Ma'am, S F M.
M की जगह क्या आएगा? O ना?
O.
And U की जगह V.
V.
So इस रूल से आपने दूसरा वर्ड भी बना लिया. Viva. अगर Viva I have not understood, let's make the Viva name with the same code.
Ma'am, W.
Viva.
Ma'am, W.
V की जगह हम यूज करेंगे W. नेक्स्ट लेटर I की जगह
J.
J. Then W. Then B.
B.
This is the code for Viva's name. Viva, what rule we are applying here? In place of your actual letter, we are using the next letter.
Okay.
So you have converted your name into the code now?
Yes.
Okay. So now with this same next letter के लिए, can you decode the messages which are given in the boxes? In the yellow box and in the blue box on your page number 116.
Ma'am, can I say?
Can I stop my presentation for just a minute so that you
Yes,
can see
ma'am.
my board properly? Yeah. Yes, tell me. Vihan.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Vihan.
Yeah. This one, na? This one,
Yeah, which is given in the blue boxes.
blue boxes.
In when they are holding no something, उनके पास कुछ
Oh,
है.
that one.
Hmm.
That one. H.
I की जगह क्या आएगा?
It is written. Yeah.
F की जगह क्या आएगा?
H धन के. Ma'am, G. Ma'am, G.
G. We are trying, right? We are trying. M की जगह क्या आएगा?
N. N.
Then N. P की जगह Q. I don't think some meaningful word is coming with this.
Very good.
What is this thank you?
Here, no. Here, what they are using. अब नीचे क्या किया है? JFT में उन्होंने next letter लिया है. IFMMP में अगर वो previous letter लेते हैं तो क्या कोई meaningful word बनता है students? Please make. previous letter. I की जगह क्या आएगा? H. F की जगह क्या आएगा? Am I audible to you all students?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I was saying that one only.
Yeah, you were right.
The before number
Grant,
only.
Kevian, Kashvi, Rajveer, please turn on your camera. Niva, Nishwa.
Ma'am,
For
Ma'am,
at
it
the
is
place of
coming
F,
yellow.
E.
Ma'am, it is
Yes.
coming yellow.
L, O. And then I, P, X. Yes, please say, Aradhya. Please say. My dear students, please say.
Ma'am, L.
Ma'am, E-O-W. E-O-W.
Same rule. Previous letter.
Yes, ma'am, it is coming.
At place of I, we use H. At place of P, we use O.
Ma'am, can I say?
Manya.
Ma'am, the whole means how are you?
Yes. The whole is how are you? When
Hello,
we
how
yes.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, hello, how are you? When we decode this message which is in yellow box, the message is hello, how are you? And the rule is that they have used the previous letter. Now, this way their codes are there. Now come on the next down. Kahuli, see what I have written. X, F. Here you have to write the next letter. क्योंकि यहाँ पे यस के साथ जो है नेक्स्ट लेटर यूज है. YES यस के साथ रूल है कि नेक्स्ट लेटर यूज हुआ है. So here you have to use the rule of the next letter and please decode this message. XF, BSF, wait a minute. GS, JF, OET. Please decode this message and tell me the meaningful word
Hello,
of this
ma'am. May
message.
I say more?
Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, it will be we are friends. The full meaningful.
Yes, we are friends. The meaningful word is we are friends. Now with the same rule, you need to write the code for meet me on the moon. इसका code बनाओ. And the rule is next letter लिखना है आपको. M की जगह क्या आएगा? E की जगह क्या आएगा? N. What will come at the place of E?
F.
F. What will come at the place of T?
U.
So this way you please make the code for complete word meet me on the moon. Will you able to try and share with me in the next class?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what we have to do in what did Shablu and Jakku write?
What did Shabu and Jagu write? Message लिख लेना.
Ma'am, but we have to write that also, not that who speak that.
Now can you come on the next?
Can I present the screen?
Wait a minute. I want to ask few extra questions also from you all. Children, suppose I am giving you a word. Suppose I am giving you a word which is sentence is India is a beautiful country. India is a beautiful country, and for this I have made a code 5, 2, 1, 9, 7. India is a beautiful country. For this, I have made a code 52197. Can you make a code for the same with the same rule? If you have understood the rule of this, you can easily make a code for the another sentence. I am fine. Is code rule we are giving?
Ma'am, please.
The code, who is going to make the code for this? If you
Excuse
have
me, ma'am.
understood how I have made the code, you can easily give me the code for the next sentence. I am
I see.
fine. Yes, Vihan.
Yeah. 1, 2, 4.
Very
And
good.
there how
Very
many
good.
letters are there? That's
Yes.
the number.
See, I have counted. India is having 5 letters, so I have taken 5. Is having 2 letters, I have taken 2. A is having 1 letter, I have taken 1. Beautiful is having 9 letters, I have taken 9. Country is having 7 letters, I have taken 7. So if I have given you this sentence and the code, first you need to understand the method I have made the code. Then you can make the code for the another word.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
It is up to you. You want to write or you can. This is just an example which I have given.
Ma'am, this one was easy. We have
Are
to
you
just
all
figure
clear?
it out.
Yes.
Yes.
See, children, codes we can make with the letters, with the numbers, with the sign and symbols also. Right? With the sign and symbol. Suppose go. I am using plus sign. Suppose go, I am using plus sign. Go, go out. Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Pregnant.
I have given you the codes of the sentence. Go out. For out, I'm using star. And come tomorrow. For and, I am using this percentage sign. For come, I am using minus sign. For tomorrow,
Does this thing anything mean?
2 hours keeping
Multiply,
together.
multiply. Ma'am, multiply.
Okay. See, if go, I am using this plus sign. Out, I am using and I am using percentage sign. So if I tell you with this sentence and with these codes, please write this sentence, go out and come tomorrow. Write this in the codes. So how you will write it in the code? Plus, star, percentage, minus, multiply. This will be your code for this sentence.
Ma'am, only the multiply was only left and division.
No
I
problem.
told
It can be any let sign also. No, this at the rate sign also I can give you.
Ma'am,
There
let's
are
try
many sign and symbols available, right? Whichever is the rule, it is up to me what a rule I am giving you. If I am giving you something rule, you cannot change the sign and symbols. You have to follow that rule. So, for example, if you are making your rule with the code, then you cannot change the code when you are explaining to the other person. Then you have to explain the full code to that person. Clear? Yes, Nishwa, you want to show us something? So, secret messages, coding, decoding is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have made a secret message.
I will ask. Yes, Nishwa is presenting something.
Ma'am, you can see.
Can you please rotate this picture?
Yes, ma'am. Now you can see.
We can see, but it is not in a proper rotation. Rotate it just. There is a rotation sign, no? On your screen. यहाँ पर बेटा ऊपर. This is आई बॉल के पास में एक रोटेशन साइन है शायद, जस्ट हाँ.
Now you can
And
see.
say to Nishwa to click on pencil.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, then there is a that rotate button.
There is a down rotation button is there, Nishwa. First
Ma'am,
button,
not
first
that
sign.
was
हाँ,
okay.
complete rotated. Do it little fast. तो
Ma'am,
पूरी rotate हो जाएगी.
ma'am, it is like this, no? That
Yes, Nishwa, can you explain us what you are trying to explain us? And please do it Zoom. Yes, Manya, any doubt?
yes,
No, I want to tell you something. Means
Oh, I will ask.
we have to doing make the patterns again by talking one from B2, from C3, from D, and on its base, right? Let us play. We have to
You,
write let us
you,
play.
let us play. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the code you have used for the method?
A1 to
A
0
will
to
be 1,
25.
A will be 0, B
Yes.
will be 1. Okay, this
Yes.
way. So
Yes, ma'am.
you are making for let us play. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If you are making for let us play, so for L, actual position, if we start from A1, then the actual position of L is KL is 12. So, but we will use 11, right? Nishwa, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And in place E will be 4 and T will be 18 or 19. Just check. A, B, C,
19.
19.
19.
And U will be
You will be 20.
and S will be
18.
18. P will be
15.
15 and L will be. Here we are not giving them the actual numbers. Here we are using the one number before number, right?
11.
Because we have given A as a 0. So L will be 11 and A will be 0 and Y will be
Yes. Y will be 24.
24.
24, ma'am.
So this way we have coded this let us play in this
Ma'am,
method.
I can show the answer.
Yes. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Is the answer of it.
11492018. Something wrong. 158024. 158024. At the place of L, you have written 8. Correct it, Nishwa?
1 minute.
Nishwa.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then we same rule की तरह we are students का भी बनाया है आपने, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this way you can make your own codes also, students. Stop presenting now, Nishwa. Yes, Manya, you want to tell something?
ma'am, I have sent
Yeah.
a code. Can you guess what I have written?
My dear, until and unless we are not about know the rule of that, we cannot open the code.
Ma'am, I have a code that I will tell you while you
You
have
have
to.
to explain the rule also, then only we can decode that rule code, right?
No,
Yes, Manya
like
was
you did
telling me
not.
something. Nishwa,
That you
Behan,
did not number.
stop.
That you did not number. I will write the spelling and the code, and you
Then
have to
we
guess
will.
it.
Please write.
Vishut has written hello in the chat box.
D. Let me see. Vishrut has written
Ma'am, my one is very different from others.
DSZY. Please explain us the rule also. No, how we can.
Ma'am, in this I have written what from what some means here is what. So there are some numbers means the gapping is there. So in the starting also we will see that gapping and that number. So it will be D. Then SH, Z as A, because Z is the last and A is the first. So A, J, G, S, T. So
Okay. You are going backward. Yes. Like A की A, B, C, D, E, F, G, this way अगर हम जाते हैं, फिर हमको उल्टी ABCD लिखनी है कि A की जगह Z, right? B की जगह Y,
yes, ma'am.
X. अगर ऐसा कोड है ना, दिस ऑल्सो द रूल. यस, ये भी एक रूल है कि आप Z की जगह A यूज कर सकते हैं, Y की जगह B यूज कर सकते हैं, and this way you can make a word. This is also, children, when you go in the higher grades, this will come very, very helpful. Coding and decoding topic is. Yes, anyone else? Let me take the attendance for a minute and then. Yes,
Ma'am.
Nishwa.
See, ma'am.
Not Nishwa. Amanya was explaining us something. Yes, Manya. Manya, any
Ma'am.
doubt?
Ma'am.
I just wanted to tell that message.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sapna ma'am told me that.
Students, wait. Students, please listen. Manya want to give you some message which was given by Sapna ma'am. So it is related to Sapna ma'am's class. Please listen. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, she told me that those who children